In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix screen tearing when watching full screen videos in Google Chrome. If you've ever been frustrated by those unsightly tears across your screen when you're trying to enjoy a video in full screen mode, worry not, because we're about to solve that problem together. Screen tearing occurs when parts of two or more frames are shown on the screen at the same time, leading to a jagged, distorted effect. This can be particularly annoying when you're watching movies, streaming shows, or enjoying your favorite YouTube channels. Fortunately, a simple adjustment in Google Chrome settings can often remedy this issue. We'll begin our journey by opening the Chrome browser. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a three-dot icon. It's essentially your gateway to Chrome's menu, and it's where we need to start. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This action will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options, and among them is the Settings option. Click Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand panel. Here you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled System. Give System a click, and it will take you to a new section specifically aimed at controlling how Chrome interacts with your device's hardware. This leads us to a major player in our tutorial, hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is a feature designed to offload tasks that require significant power from your CPU to your GPU, effectively enhancing performance. However, it can sometimes cause screen tearing with full-screen videos if your hardware or software configurations aren't fully compatible. To address this, we need to toggle this feature off. Within this System Settings section, you'll see an option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Just beside it, you'll find a switch. By default, this switch is usually turned on, so click it to toggle it off. Once you've done that, it's time to implement the changes. You'll notice a button appears that says Relaunch. Clicking Relaunch will restart Chrome, ensuring your adjustments take effect immediately. It's important to understand that this step, relaunching, is crucial for the changes to be applied. Otherwise, the problem may persist. And there you have it. With Chrome back up and running, screen tearing during full-screen video should be a thing of the past. Give it a try by opening a video and switching to full screen mode to enjoy a smoother watching experience. If you continue to encounter issues, double-check that the hardware acceleration is indeed off, as sometimes settings can revert back to default. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped resolve your screen tearing woes.